Alright students, today we're going to look at the solution now to number 9 multiple choice, part of your chapter 8 sample quiz. Alright, this is in book 3 at 1026, so at the end of your book there really, okay? And it's asking us to convert to degree. It's giving us degree minutes second format, and is asking us to convert that just to degrees only, or some people refer to as a decimal degree. So how do we do that? Well, you need a couple of facts here. We'll do it by hand, then we'll do it by calculator. So doing it the long way, we know that 1 degree, of course, is 60 minutes, right? And we also know that 1 minute is 60 seconds. So they're in 60 increments, right, or intervals. Now, and how do you convert back and forth? Some people use this little idea. They say, well, if it's a DMS, which is degree minute second, if we go from second to minutes, we divide by 60, and from minutes to degrees, we divide by 60 again. So if we go from seconds directly to minutes, we divide by 60 twice, or seconds to degrees. Going the other way, however, we would multiply degrees to minutes, we multiply by 60, minutes to seconds, multiply by 60 again. Now, so what you divide? You take the seconds first. Now the seconds are 24. We're going to divide by 60 to change that to something minutes. When you divide by 60, that's going to become minutes. Okay? Now what is that? Well, we step over to the calculator here. 24 divide by 60, that's decimal 4. So equals 0.4 minutes. Now you add to that then. So what is your total minutes? Your total minutes now, you must add that to the 30 minutes you already have up there. See, up here we have 30 minutes. So take your 30 minutes, add on your 0.4 minutes to get a total of 30.4 minutes. Then you repeat that step. So then you take the next amount, which is that 30.4 minutes, and divide by 60. Of course, you're changing that back to degrees. Okay, so now we're going to go to degrees. So add 30 to your 0.4, then divide by 60 to change it again. So it becomes 0.5, say 5.1 if I round it off to 2 decimal places. 0.51 degrees. Then add this to your degrees up there, so it's 35 degrees plus 0.51 degrees for a final answer of 35.51 degrees. Okay, so just watch that again. What did we do first? We took 24 divided by 60. Then we added that on to get the total minutes. We divided the total minutes by 60 to get degrees. Then added that to the number of degrees out there to get this final answer of 35.51. So the answer is B. Now let's look at it on the calculator. Okay, how do you tackle this on the calculator? Alright, so you put in 35 degrees. Now to do that, you type 35. Now under the word angle, do you see the word angle above the apps button? It's in blue, so I have to hit the blue button first, and I'll bring up an angle page, and there you see degree is the first one. So you put in the number first, so 35 degrees. Now we want to say 30 minutes. We repeat that, 30. Then second, apps, or go into your angle page, and number 2 is minutes. Scroll down, there's minutes. Now there is no seconds under the angle window because they use it in other applications, but it's still there. It's down on top of the plus button, and it's green. See it there, the double stroke. So see the plus button, look to the top right, it's green. So we have to use the alpha button to do that. So type in your numbers first, 24. Now alpha, the green button, down to, second. So we have it there. And we just hit enter, and it converts it right to a decimal degree. So 35.51. Now if you want to double check that to make sure you enter everything properly, you can do that as well. Go back to your angle page, second function, angle, and go to change to DMS, degree minute second. So change the decimal back to degree minute second. and it brings it right back, and indeed that's what we had. So your answer is 35.51 degrees.